So Paul, I'm gonna start with you. Can you tell us a little bit about the goal of the series and what you hope we accomplish together?
Yeah, well, first of all, I think you're the best person that could represent us in terms of getting people to realize this is possible, right? Like, I think you have demonstrated that as a player. I think you've overcome adversity. You're also someone that is very well disciplined.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, so I think all these great attributes are like, from our perspective, are things that we want to allow people to say, you know what, I can do this. There are some tactics you can use where you could tilt the system in your favor.
Yeah, I love that.
And I think that's what's real important for us, is to educate people around that system. And we get the privilege of working with people that have dreams and they want to accomplish something, and we're the guide. Like, they're the hero.
Yeah.
You know? But we love playing that guide. And I think that a lot of people look at, like, finance and, you know, the markets, and that's a game that other people play. You know? And I think we look at it as like, no, you could play that game.
Totally.
And we actually think we could teach you to play it pretty well.